Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can delete your Google Play Games account. So that is permanent deletion. Okay. Previously, 7 years back, I did the video tutorial on the same topic, Google Play Games account delete. But this tutorial is not working because as it's been 7 years, the options and the UI options were totally changed. So that's the reason I'm doing this updated tutorial. Okay, this will be quite different here. You need to click on this Android phone settings. Okay, these are the Android phone settings, right? Just browse through Google. Here you will find somewhere like Google. Here tap on this Google and click on this all services option, and you need to scroll to the bottom until you see play games. See here, play games, right? You need to click on this play games. Here is where you will see your Google Play Games profile. See here, the profile picture is showing up here, if you can see, right? And if your mobile has more than one Gmail, there is a drop down. See here, make sure which games profile you want to delete. So when I click on this drop down here, at the bottom it is displaying all of my game profiles, means my accounts. So I want to delete this particular account. So what I'll do is I'll be clicking on this privacy and settings. See here, privacy and settings. Once you click on this privacy and settings, here at the last option you can see delete profile and game data. Profile in the sense the account itself, means if you choose for this option, once more it will ask for the confirmation permanently delete. Before deleting all these games, I just made a game progress using this Gmail account and this Google Play Games account. So my data is with all these games. So means my game progression with all these games like Asphalt, so and so, is saved here. If I want to delete this, I can delete the game data, and the upper one is the account itself. If I click on this, it will ask for one more confirmation at the bottom. Permanently, okay, I'll read it for you whether it is visible or not. Permanently delete your Google Play Games account for so and so. Okay, if you confirm that, your profile will be, your Google Play Games account profile will be permanently deleted. As many of the users asking for the updated tutorial, I did this. If you feel this is informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.